The Mpumalanga escarpment, where lush cliffs abruptly pierce the hot red earth of the lowlands. It serves as a geo-physical symbol for the edge of the South African frontier. A collision point that has inspired countless folktales and has bore witness to centuries of epic warfare and the beginnings of the modern-day story of gold in South Africa. Today, plantations of foreign trees blanket the landscape while mills churn steam as they pulp pine into paper. In the valleys below, gold mines that have been chiming steel against rock for the past 100 years ring their ceaseless chorus. The surrounding terrain is littered with relics of another time. The remnants of a forgotten pre-colonial society and wild descendants of horses abandoned during wars and a failed gold rush. My name is Robin Bernstein, and I'm a photographer working on projects which examine the complex relationships between people, land, and history in South Africa. This project, Mpumalanga, primarily engages with landscape via visual reassessment of a key historical, geological, and geographical region in Southern Africa. After the past 7 years spent photographing and engaging with these themes, the work will be published in collaboration with GOST books. Your contribution to this Kickstarter pre-sale aids in bringing this book to life. Mpumalanga attempts to draw attention to how the prevailing history of this region is continuously rewritten as dominant groups erase the narratives bound to their predecessors, each driven to occupy the space for the resources that it holds. This process leaves an archive of physical artifacts scattered across the landscape, which become ephemeral traces of the histories that have played out. Photography unavoidably works to situate people and place in time, and it is through these remnants of the past that this work aims to photographically engage with the nuances of present social conditions in South Africa. The book includes contributing texts by South African writers Lidudumalingani and Desmond Latham. Signed pre-sale editions of the book, as well as prints and some other rewards, are available for purchase via the Kickstarter platform. Thank you so much for your support.